Hello everyone. Today we are discussing about the cement. What is meant by concrete? What is meant by Portland cement? And which are the ingredients are available in the cement? And also discuss about the box compound. Okay. Then first term is cement. What is meant by cement? Cement is actually made by the calcareous and areous material. Okay. Then calcareous material means calcium and limestones. Such types of materials are included in a calcareous material, and alumina and clay, these types of materials are included in a areous material. When these two types of materials means calcareous material and areous materials are mixed with each other with the proper proportion, and this mixture is burning at a high temperature in the kiln, and after that burning process, when we crush it out and and form the powder, this powder is called as a cement. Okay, what is meant by cement? The cement is the product manufactured by burning and crushing to the powder and intimate and well proportional mixture of calcareous and areous material is called as cement. The next important term is a concrete. Then what is meant by concrete? The concrete means when the cement, sand, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate, admixture and water, these all ingredient when we mix with each other with the fixed proportion, then this mixture is called as a concrete. Okay. The main ingredient for the purpose of strength is a cement. The strength of concrete is mainly due to cement. Okay, means cement is helpful to give the strength to our concrete. The next term is a Portland cement. What is meant by Portland cement? The Portland cement is a one type of cement when areous and calcareous materials are mixed up with each other and burn it in a kiln at high temperature about 1300 degrees Celsius to 1500 degrees Celsius, and after that whole burning process, this mixture is crushed it out and form the powder, and this powder is known as the Portland cement. Okay. After the Portland cement, the important concept is chemical ingredient in a cement. Means that which are the ingredients are available in the cement. The mainly 8 ingredient are available in the cement. The name of that ingredient is lime, silica, iron oxide, alumina, gypsum, magnesium oxide, sulfur trioxide and sodium potash. Okay, these all ingredients are available in the cement. The lime, in that chart I show you the formula of that all compounds and also the percentage available of that compound in the cement. The first ingredient is a lime. The formula of lime is a CaO, and the percentage available of lime in the cement is 60 to 65%. Okay, means for example 1000 gram cement is available, then in that cement the quantity of lime is about 600 gram to 650 gram. Okay. Next ingredient is a silica. The formula of silica is a SiO2, and the percentage of silica in the cement is 17 to 25%. After that, iron oxide. The quantity available in the cement of iron oxide is 0.5 to 6%. Then alumina. It is 3 to 8% available, and gypsum is a 3 to 4% available. And magnesium oxide, the quantity of magnesium oxide in a cement is 0.1 to 4% of the cement. Okay. Then sulfur trioxide. The sulfur trioxide is about 1 to 3% of cement is available in that cement, And last ingredient in the cement is a sodium potash, and the quantity of the sodium potash is 0.2 to 1%. Okay, these all the chemical ingredient in the cement. This chart is very important. So next point is a Box compound. Okay, it is very important term in the cement. The Box compound means when the raw materials are mixed up with each other and it is heated or it is burn it at a high temperature, and at that time they are form the complex compound. This compound is called as a Box compound. Okay, understand? Understood what is meant by Box compound? When raw material is mixed up with each other at a high temperature and they form the complex compound, this compound is known as a Box compound. Okay, mainly 4 Box compounds are available in the cement. Then which are these 4 compounds? Look at here. These are the 4 important Box compound in the cement. First is a dicalcium silicate, second is a tricalcium silicate, third is a tricalcium aluminate, and fourth is a tetracalcium aluminoferrite. Okay, and this table shows the formula of that compounds and abbreviations and percentage available in the cement. Okay, the first compound, dicalcium silicate, is available in the percentage of 21 to 45% of the cement quantity. Okay, in second compound the quantity is 25 to 50%, and third compound, that is tricalcium aluminate, the quantity is 5 to 11%, and fourth is a tetracalcium aluminoferrite and the quantity is 9 to 14%. Okay, then these all compounds are affect on the properties of cement. Okay, what are the effect of Box compound on the properties of the cement? First compound means dicalcium silicate, and second compound, that is tricalcium silicate. These 2 Box compounds are important and they are responsible for early strength of cement. Means these 2 compounds are responsible to increase the strength of the cement, means improve the strength of the cement. And the third compound means tricalcium aluminate is important or is responsible for early setting of the cement. And this last compound, fourth compound, tricalcium aluminoferrite, is the inactive compound, means it does not contribute any strength or any setting time of the cement. Mainly these 3 compounds affect on the properties of the cement. First to affect or responsible for early strength of the cement, and third is responsible for early setting of the cement. Okay, thank you.